Hello everyone, welcome back to Mud Crashers. So today I'm going to shoot a video about a winch controller which we can install inside the Jeep, because I was having so much trouble in plugging in, plugging out again and again. Sometimes your wire gets dirty, you can't put in there due to the mud, right? So I was trying all options, like buying wireless controllers. I tried 3 4, but none of them were working, so I had to return them anyways. But then I checked some YouTube videos, but there was nothing on YouTube which can help you. uh, but then I came up with a new idea, that why shouldn't I install my wired controller inside a Jeep. So how can I enter wire through engine bay to the cabin? Let me show you that today, how we installed it, and hopefully it will help you installing yours. So guys, I have rough country 12,000 pounds winch here. So I'm using, you can see the same controller, wire controller. You can run wire through the grill if you want, but how I ran, so I came here, so I ran wire through here, it's coming down here, and then through this area. So I pulled up a wire up here, it's going through here. So my main concern was, how can I run wire through the engine bay to the cabin. So then I found out there is rubber down here. Let me show you. So this wire goes straight into your brakes. So you see this wire, so this is one is a pipe, so which goes all the way back to your rear wiper, windshield washer pipe, and then you can run wire through that hole. I was checking many videos in which people were showing that you can run wire through here, but in this JKU, this is 2017, it's not possible. So I tried all the options but couldn't find a hole in there. But then this is the only way to enter your cabin. So when you come inside the Jeep, so all you have to open this, so use any screwdriver, so it's gonna pull up this one, so it's right here. So I ran, you can see the same wire coming through here. So this is where I install the same rough country winch control. All you have to do is screw it, and then you can see all the wires are in here, and then I use the nuts to stop this, to secure this controller. So now it works, you can hear that. Yep, it works fine. So this idea solved my problem. Now I don't need to put wire again and again, and I don't need to run wire through here towards this winch here. So hopefully it will be helpful for you guys as well. So don't spend your money on wireless controller. So everything is working fine. So winch is here, your wireless controller is there now, so it's good to use now. So I used it today, everything was working fine, and even like I secured this thing. I lost my cover for this, now it's secured, nothing can enter through here. So I sprayed a little bit of lubricant into it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for more coming videos.